Hi, I am Prashant Kumar, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering, MS Engineering College, Bangalore. Today we are going to see how to execute word count Python program using streaming interface available in the Hadoop cluster. So the first step is to write word count program. Okay, word count. Here I have written, I have given the name word count underscore mapper.py. It's a mapper program. And second one is word count underscore reducer.py. That's a reducer part of the MapReduce program. I will show that. This is a mapper part, and this is the reducer program. Okay, word count program. Next step is second step is to give the execution permission to these files. So the command is chmod +x, then locate the file. Word count underscore mapper.py, yes, then word count underscore reducer.py. Okay, so second step is over, and next step is we can start to make input for the word count program. So the input I will store it in HDFS. For that we need to check whether our cluster is running. So by using JPS we can check what are the Java process running in this prompt. So here you can see that name node is running, data node is running, secondary name node is running, resource manager yarn is running, then name node manager is also running. I have installed in my laptop in a pseudo distribution mode. So I have started running all the Hadoop related processes. Now I want to create the input folder in HDFS. So I am doing that. bin/hdfs dfs -mkdir/user. So first I will create a user folder under root, then I will create a Prashant folder under user. Yes, it is successfully created. Then under Prashant I will create folder named wc. Yeah, after that I will create under wc means word count short I have used. I have created input folder. So this is my input folder. Here I will store my input files. So I am using input file as these two files. So both are text files and consist of so many lines of text. Both the files I have so many lines of text, and we are counting number of words present in these two text files. And I will move these two text file into HDFS. So command is bin/hdfs dfs -put/user/prashant/wc/input. So this is our destination. So before that we need to specify which is our source. Our source is /python/text file. Two file I want to transfer at a time, two text file I want to transfer at a time. So that's why, so I have mentioned the two text file which is in Python folder. So text file star.txt. So there are two file named text file. Okay, one is text file.txt, second one is text file 1.txt. Then I want to move this file into the HDFS. Location is user Prashant wc input. Input is the folder. So this is the command. Yes, successfully executed. Then I want to verify whether the folder is there. HDFS bin/hdfs dfs -ls/user/prashant/wc/input. You can see here two files are listed. This is the first file, this is second file. So we have transferred both the file from Python folder into HDFS input folder. Third step is also over. This step is also over. The next step is we need to identify where is the Hadoop streaming files, streaming interface available. It's a jar file and which is available in the installation directory of our Hadoop cluster. Home folder, one Hadoop folder is there. Here this is the installation directory of Hadoop, and I will verify where it is, where this file is located. share Hadoop, under tool, under lib, this file is there, we can locate where it is. Hadoop minus streaming, you can see here Hadoop minus streaming minus 2.10.1.jar, that is the header file. So we will include that file in our compilation and running of MapReduce word count program. So that is what fourth step. Then fifth step is execute mapper and reducer. So the command is, before that we will come back to our folder, installation folder. Yes, so how to execute: bin slash yarn jar, then it is in share Hadoop tools lib and Hadoop streaming 2.10.1.jar. So jar file we have located and given the location of the jar file. The next stage is we need to tell where is our mapper. Our mapper is minus mapper dot slash, because I am going to execute Python code, it is in Python folder word count mapper. Fine. Then I need to tell where is our reducer. Okay, it is in Python folder word count reducer.py. So reducer also ready. Then we need to tell where is our input. Input is in HDFS slash user slash Prashant slash wc slash input. So here we have already transferred the input file, which is in input folder. Then I need to tell where to store the output. Output also we will store in the Hadoop HDFS directory. So I will tell the location user Prashant slash wc slash output folder, we will name it as output. Okay, so we have given very instructions perfectly to execute word count mapper and reducer Python code. So first bin slash yarn, then streaming file jar file, then which is your mapper, and where is your reducer, then which is your input folder, then where to store the output. So everything is ready. Then I will hit enter. Then you can observe the execution. Yes, started executing. Yes, so finished, execution finished. So it is telling that the output directory is this one. So if you go there, you will get output. You can see here bin slash hdfs dfs minus ls slash user slash Prashant slash wc slash output. Yes, so the execution is successful and output file also created, part file. And if you download, you can move the files which is present in the HDFS into local directory by providing necessary instruction bin slash hdfs dfs minus get slash user Prashant wc output slash part minus 50. Then where to store, I will tell the location. It is in home Prashant desktop. No, I don't want in desktop, I want it is in our Hadoop folder. Hadoop, okay, Hadoop folder, its name is output. So I'm running. So source is here and destination is here. So I want to move from source to destination. Yes, successfully executed. Then we will check it, or we will open it by using gedit slash home Prashant and Hadoop, then output. Yes, see, I have opened that. This is the output. So you can see here each word counted. Okay, it has computed the count of each word. So it's a big file. So many words are there in the file, both the files. So in a distributed way, it computed the word count by using our Python program, word count mapper program and reducer program. So thank you for watching the video. We will see you again with another video. Thank you.